Question number 1, sub question 1. Question number 1 says that find the area of the region bounded by the following curves, the x-axis and the given line. So the first sum is y equal to x raised to 4, where x equal to 1 and x equal to 5. So the formula for area is supposed to be integration of a to b y dx. So a will be equal to integration of 1 to 5. The value of y is x raised to 4 dx. So the area will be integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1. So it will be x raised to 5 upon 5 in the range of 1 to 5. Substitute the upper value, that is 5 raised to 5 upon 5 minus 1 raised to 5 upon 5. So 5 raised to 5 is 5, 25, 125, 625, 3125 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. So the area will be 3124 upon 5 square units. We can say that let A be the required area bounded by the curve y equal to root of x plus 4. So area equal to integration of a to b y dx. So the area will be integration of smaller value down, bigger value up, square root of 6x plus 4 dx. Area equal to integration 0 to 2. There is no integration for any root as such. So we can write this as 6x plus 4 raised to half and dx. So the area will be, this is in the form of ax plus b raised to n. It's a power function. So it will be ax plus b raised to n plus 1. The whole upon n plus 1 multiplied by 1 upon coefficient of x. And this will be 0 to 2. So the area will be 6x plus 4 to the power 3 by 2. Niche 3 by 2. 1 upon 6. I'll write this as 3 by 2. And this will be 0 to 2. ये कट कर देना. So I think we get area equal to 1 upon 9. You get 6x plus 4 raised to 3 by 2. 0 to 2. Area will be equal to 1 upon 9. Put the upper value 2. So you get 6 into 2 plus 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 6 into 0 plus 4 raised to 3 by 2. So the area will be 1 upon 9. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16 raised to 3 by 2. 0 plus is 4. 4 raised to 3 by 2. Area equal to 1 upon 9. 16. We can write it as 4 square raised to 3 by 2. 4. We can write it as 2 square raised to 3 by 2. So the area will be 1 by 9. ये कट हो जाएगा. 4 cube will be 64 and 2 cube will be 8. So the area will be equal to 56 upon 9 square units. Area equal to integration 0 to a y dx. So area equal to integration 0 to 4, okay, root of 16 minus x square dx. See, there is a formula that is root of a square minus x square. The formula is x upon 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of x upon a plus c. So that means my area, I can write it as integration of 0 to 4. 16, I can write it as 4 square. So now it is in the form of integration of root of a square minus x square. So the area will be x upon 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of x upon a. Instead of writing plus c, you write it as 0 to 4. Area equal to, put the upper value 4 upon 2 root of 4 square minus 4 square plus 4 square upon 2, 16 upon 2 is 8 sine inverse of x के जगह में 4 डालना 4 upon 4 minus put x equal to 0 0 upon 2 4 square minus 0 square plus 4 square upon 2 is 16 upon 2, that is 8 sine inverse of 0 upon 4 2 root of 4 square is 16, 16 minus 16 is 0 plus 8 4 upon 4 is 1 minus 0 upon 2 is 0, 0 into anything will give you 0 plus 8 sine inverse of 0 upon 4 is nothing but 0. So this is area equal to 2 into root of 0 is 0, 0 plus 8 sine inverse of 1 minus 0 plus 8 is 8 with sine inverse of 0. You have to find the area of the curve or area of the line precise. 2y equal to 5x plus 7 when x equal to 2 and x equal to 8. Let a be the required area. Area equal to integration of a to b y dx. Now the question says that 2y equal to 5x plus 7. This is a linear equation, so automatically it will be a straight line. So this will be nothing but 5x plus 7 the whole upon 2. Because they have given the value for 2y, but my area starts with y. So a will be 2, b will be 8 and y will be 5x plus 7 upon 2 followed by dx. So a equal to, take half outside, integration 2 to 8, 5x plus 7 dx, half bracket 2 to 8 5x dx plus integration 2 to 8 7 dx. This is half bracket 5 outside, integration 2 to 8, x means x raised to 1 dx plus integration 2 to 8 7 dx. So the area will be half bracket 5, x raised to 1 का integration है x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, so it is x square upon 2 in the range of 2 to 8 plus integration of 7 is basically 7x and that also in the range of 2 to 8. Half bracket 5, put the upper value will be 8 square upon 2 minus 2 square upon 2 plus 7, put the upper value 8 minus the lower value 2, so we get this as a equal to half 5, 8 square is 64, 64 upon 2 will give you 32 4 square upon 2 will give you 2 plus 7, 8 minus 2 will give you 6. So my A will be equal to half. 32 minus 2 is 30, 30 into 5 is 150, 7 into 6 is 42. So I think this is 192, 192 upon 2 will be 96 square units. Let A be the area of parabola. Area will be equal to 2 integration 0 to a y dx. Now I think the equation of the parabola is given as y square equal to 4x here. So we don't want y square, we want y. So can I say that y equal to, don't write plus or minus, it is plus root of 4x. Root of 4 is 2 and root x. So area will be equal to 2 integration 0 to 3 because it is on the line x equal to 3. This will be 2 root of x dx. So the area will be 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. 0 to 3 root of x dx. Area equal to 4 integration 0 to 3 root x is x raised to half. So the area will be 4 x raised to half ka integration is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 in the range of 0 to 3. So the area will be 4, 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2 in the range of 0 to 3. Area will be equal to 8 upon 3. Put the value of x as 3, so you get 3 raised to 3 by 2, 0 raised to 3 by 2. So the area will be 8 upon 3. I think this we can write it as 3 cube, the whole raised to half, and 0 raised to anything will give the answer as 0. So area will be equal to 8 upon 3. 3 cube is 27 and raised to half means root of 27. So the area will be 8 upon 3. Root of 27 is 3 root 3. Cut it. Therefore your area will be 8 root 3 square units. See now, I'll try to explain why we are taking this 2. See, you are finding the area of a curve. This part is one curve, ये part. Okay? And this part is another curve. So the x-axis makes the curve symmetrical. यानी कि इसका एरिया अगर 4 रहेगा, ये ऊपर का पार्ट का, तो नीचे का भी पार्ट का एरिया 4 रहेगा. So you got one choice of finding the area of this part separately and adding. Since it is symmetrical, इसका एरिया अगर suppose 5 है, तो इसका भी एरिया 5 आएगा. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Instead of finding 2 times area of the upper part and the area of the lower part, meaning area in the first quadrant and area in the fourth quadrant, what we'll do is we'll club both. So can I say that if you club both, the area will be 2 times this. अगर इसका एरिया 5 रहेगा तो ये टोटल एरिया क्या रहेगा? 2 into 5 10 रहेगा. अगर इसका एरिया इतना एरिया अगर 6 है तो ये पूरा एरिया क्या रहेगा? 12. तो instead of finding the area of this separate and then merging it, I will take it as 2 times. So that is the reason why we are having this 2. They have given the equation of the circle as x square plus y square equal to 25 and you have to find the area of the circle. So generally the area of a circle is defined as pi r square. At least you must be knowing that. So but we are not going to use the concept of pi r square, we have to use the concept of definite integrals. So there is a equation of a circle in center radius form, which is x square plus y square equal to r square. So if you compare with x square plus y square equal to 25, you get r square equal to 25, r equal to 5. Then what I have done is I have drawn a circle. See, the circle is passing through the center, means this will be the radius 5 units and this radius will also be 5 units. So if this radius is 5 units, can I say that this point will be 5, 0? So it's very easy. Now suppose this is the origin. Now suppose I tell you to go 3 centimeters ahead on the x-axis from the origin. So I think 3 centimeters आगे जाएगा तो 1, 2 and 3. Can you tell me what will be this point? The point on the coordinate axis will be 3, 0 because any point on the x-axis will have its y coordinate 0. तो इसका coordinate 5, 0 रहेगा. ऊपर भी radius 5 है. Suppose this is 2. What will be this coordinate? I think this coordinate will be 0, 2. So if this distance is 5 units, this will be 0, 5. यानी कि इधर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इधर रहेगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units means 5, 0. ऊपर 5 units means 0, 5 because on the y-axis x coordinate will be equal to 0. Now you have to find the area of the circle. Okay. Now see, you cannot find the total area of the circle in one shot. What you can do is you can find the area of this part, then you find the area of this part, area of this part and area of this part. So that means you have to find the area 4 times. It is time consuming, not advisable. So what we will do is, I will find the area of this part which is shaded and then I will multiply the entire thing by 4. Because it's a symmetrical figure here. I mean, if this area is 2 units, 2 square units, this will be 2 square units, this will be 2 square units, this will be 2 square units. Suppose the area of this part is 27 pi, ये part जो shaded है, तो ये भी 27 pi रहेगा, ये भी 27 pi रहेगा, ये भी 27 pi रहेगा. तो 4 times solve करने का जरूरत नहीं, directly you can write 4 into. As in the case of 4 into the area of the shaded part. Previously when we did parabola, I think we did 2 times. Instead of finding the area 2 times, area for the first quadrant and area for the fourth quadrant, I think we found the entire area and then we multiplied by 2. So please use that concept here. So the area will be equal to 4 integration 0 to 5. What is y? What is y? I think they have not given y. So they have given that x square plus y square equal to 25. So can I say that y square equal to 25 minus x square? So y equal to, there is no plus or minus, you have to take positive, 25 minus x square will be the value for y. Now what you have to do is put the value of y here as root of 25 minus x square and then integrate. So my area will be 4 integration 0 to 5 square root of 25 minus x square dx. So a will be 4 integration 0 to 5. 25 I will write it as 5 square minus x square dx. There is a formula which says that integration of a square minus x square dx equal to x upon 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of x upon plus c. So my area will be equal to 4 integration of root of a square minus x square, that is supposed to be x upon 2 root of, see if you compare, my a is 5, so this will be 5 square minus x square, again my a is 5, because compare करो ना यार, 5 square minus x square, a square minus x square, तो 5 square और a square को compare करेगा तो a का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा 5 sine inverse of x upon a, which is 5 bracket close, and this will be 0 to 5. A equal to 4. First we'll put all x by 5, that is replace all x with 5, so I get 5 by 2, 5 square minus 5 square, 5 square by 2 साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 5 by 5, ठीक है, ये जाएगा एक ब्रैकेट में माइनस, अभी लोअर वैल्यू डालना 0, तो x by 2 मीन्स 0 by 2 रूट ऑफ 5 square minus 0 square प्लस 5 square upon 2 साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 0 upon 5. So this is A equal to 4. I think this will be 5 by 2. 5 square is 25 minus 5 square is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. I get root of 0 plus 5 square is 25 by 2 sine inverse of 1 minus 0 upon 2 is 0. 0 into root of 5 square, that is also 0, plus this will be again 25 by 2 sine inverse of 0 upon 5 is nothing but 0. So I get my area as 4 inside the bracket. 5 by 2 into what is the root of 0? 0. 0 into 5 by 2, 0, plus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 2 in a bracket minus 0 plus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 0 is 0. So your area will be equal to 4, 0 plus means it will be 25 pi by 4 minus 0 plus 25 into 0 is 0. Therefore the area will be equal to 4 into 25 pi by 4. The area will be 25 pi square units. Okay. See, now we know that r equal to 5. What is the normal formula for area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r square. Pi into r square is pi into 25. R is 5. So r square will be 25. I think the answer will be 25 pi. You are getting the same answer. But you cannot do it directly by using the geometrical application. You will have to go for the usage of the concept on different integrals. Okay, I think you would have cracked this sum in a line. Radius 5 है. Area of a circle is pi r square. बराबर. Pi वैसे रहने दो. R के जगह में 5 डाल दो. You get the answer as 25 pi. वहाँ पर भी 25 pi आ रहा है. But ऐसा नहीं करने का. You will not get marks in the exam. They have given equation of an ellipse as x square upon 4 plus y square upon 25 equal to 1. You compare it with x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Because the equation of an ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So I can give this as 1 and I can give this as 2. I'll compare 1 and 2. So I get a square equal to 4 and I get b square equal to 25. So a will be equal to 2 and b will be equal to 5. So can I say that a is less than b? See, if this is my coordinate axis, normally on the x-axis the coordinate is a comma 0 and on the y-axis my coordinate is 0 comma b. So if my a is 2, I think this point will be 2 comma 0 and this will be 0 comma 5. Is that clear? Now, which is bigger? I think 0 comma 5, I mean here, 0b. 5 is big or 2 is big? Which is bigger? 5 is bigger. So I think the ellipse will be of this shape. It will be more on the y-axis and lesser towards the x-axis. So if you check this, I think this diagram will be more on the y-axis and lesser on the x-axis. Ellipse is not a circle, it is something which is having an oval shape. So I will take this as origin, this I will take it as y, this I will take it as, y dash. I will take this as x and take this as x dash, and since a is 2, I will write here 2 comma 0 and this I will write it as 0 comma 5. So my area will be equal to integration 0 to a y dx. Now I cannot find the area of the entire ellipse in one shot. What I can do is I can find the area of one part. Okay. And since all the 4 parts are basically equal, what I will do is I will put here 4. It is similar to the concept of finding out the area of a circle. Area of a circle में भी हमने 4 से multiply किया. Ellipse में भी 4 part आएगा because the area of the curve that you find will be for this part. You cannot find the area of the entire ellipse. So what you will do is you will find the area of this part. तो इसका जो भी एरिया आएगा उसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो ऑटोमेटिकली you will get the area of the entire ellipse. See, we want integration of y, but I think they have given that x square upon 4 plus y square upon 25 equal to 1. So I think you have to find the value of y. So I'll say this is y square upon 25 equal to 1 minus x square upon 4. So I get y square equal to 25 into 1 minus x square upon 4. So y will be equal to 5 root 1 minus x square upon 4. So y will be equal to 5 square root of, take 4 as LCM, you get 4 minus x square. We get y equal to 5, ऊपर नीचे अलग अलग रूट देना, 4 minus x square and root of 4. So I think your y will be equal to 5 upon 2 square root of 4 minus x square.